Hello viewers, in this video, I am going to cover procedure. Let's begin. In the first program, I am going to cover procedure introduction. Procedure don't have to return anything to main routine. We can create procedure using create or replace procedure name with optional parameter list. Is optional variable declaration. Procedure body within begin and end keyword. We can execute procedure by calling procedure from SQL block or using execute procedure name. And we can drop procedure using drop procedure name. In the next program, I am going to cover procedure with parameters. We can create procedure with parameter name and optional default values using default keyword or by assigning value. We can call procedure by passing parameters to procedure, where we can implicitly or explicitly assign values to parameter. Also, we can omit default values while passing parameters to procedure. In the next program, I am going to cover procedure parameter type. We can define the parameter as in, out, or in-out. Also, we can give the compiler a hint that reference memory management could be used, using no copy hint, which is applicable only for out or in-out parameter types. We can call the procedure with appropriate parameters and assign values for out or in-out parameter types. In the next program, I am going to cover inline procedure. We can embed procedure within SQL block, which can be called only within the SQL block in which it is defined. In the next program, I am going to cover nested procedure. We can define one procedure within another procedure, which is called as nested procedure. Nested procedure will be accessible only within the procedure in which it is defined. In the next program, I am going to cover procedure overloading. We can define multiple procedures with same name, but with different parameters, which is called as procedure overloading. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you are preparing for interview, you can buy eBook on Oracle SQL interview questions from the Amazon link given in the description below. Please like this video, click on subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any video updates. Thanks for watching this video.